Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to enable developer option on Samsung Galaxy S25. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you open up setting, tap on this, scroll down here, you go to about phone, go down and tap on software information, and you can see that port number, tap on it 7 times. Your phone pin, you can see that allow development setting, tap on this. Okay, developer option. Then once you have been done, that you should see a tag appearing saying develop mode has been enabled. So then you want to go back the menu, setting menu. Then when you scroll ever further down under net about phone, you should see developer. And tap on developer option. Already your phone developer option is successfully. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.